Mr. Prashant Khanolkar, welcome to your 1 minute talk.
Thank you.
It's pleasure talking to you, particularly the water, very precious thing which very much
Yes.
used in multiple areas.
Yes.
Please explain about the water.
Sure. It's an absolute pleasure to be here. So, in semiconductor industry, for 300 fab, to produce one wafer, you need around 9,000 liter of ultra pure water. And to produce 9,000 liter of ultra pure water, you need 14,000 to 15,000 liter of raw water. And it's a very highest quality water that you need. So, when we say in terms of a water quality, it's a Mount Everest of water quality. It's 18.2 mega-ohms, the highest water quality. So we as a CN Tech, we take your raw water, process it to the various steps, make it a potable water, drinkable water, and then further process it, treat it, and make it an ultra pure grade water, which can then be used by the semiconductor fabs and OSATs for their wafer cleaning and the manufacturing process. So that's it.
Excellent. You highlighted the importance of water in semiconductor, how precious it is, out
Correct.
of it clean that water
Correct.
to get the level of kind of purity we get.
Correct.
And very few are there in this area, right?
Yes,
In
correct.
the
And
market.
it's very important to understand the water chemistry because in India we have a different water challenges. So our expertise comes from our global partners, and we are here in this market for more than 35 years.
35
So we
years.
understand the Indian water. We understand how the water changes over the seasons, how the water changes over the years, and accordingly we take the help of our international partners, and then we build a robust system for our Indian
Is
customers.
there any specific things very specific to semiconductor in terms of water compared to other industries?
Yeah, one is the resistivity 18.2. The TOC levels are very low in terms of parts per billion, less than 2 parts per billion of TOC. Typically, we work at parts per million. So here we working impurity levels of parts per billion, parts per trillion. So it's as I said, it's a Mount Everest of water quality.
Everest, rightly
Nothing
said.
is above this. So this is the highest peak in terms of water quality that you can get.
Thank you so much
Thank
for
you very
your
much,
such
sir.
a wonderful
It's
presentation of
absolute
importance
pleasure,
of
sir.
water.